Welcome back to our YouTube channel here at ArmorTech. Today we've got a 2024 model Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT, and today we're going to show you how to put our front windshield assembly on. Before we get started, let's go ahead and have a look at the tool list. Before we assemble our front onto the unit, we want to remove a few screws off of these side ear brackets located on the lower channel. These side mounting brackets are held on by 2 bolts. We're going to loosen the one on the bottom, and then we're going to take this one out. Okay, and then we're going to rotate the bracket back. So now we're going to remove the hardware that's holding our roof on to this front bar, because we'll need to pick this roof up just a little bit to allow our front channel to reach and grab over the bar. So we'll remove those, remove these straps with a 10 mil socket and an impact. And then we'll take our Phillips screwdriver and our 10 mil wrench. And there's one in this pocket right here, and we'll just use our screwdriver to take that out. All right, we've got our hardware off the top. Now we want to prop up the top with something, typically something soft, some car barrel. We're going to use a roll of shop towels and just stick that right there. We're going to hold that roof up to where we can get our front onto the unit. Now we're going to grab a buddy and put the windshield onto the unit. All right, the hardware we removed from the side mounting bracket will now relocate. The round section of the bracket will mate to the pipe. Okay, you're gonna loosen this, and this will adjust back and forth. Okay. So we want that all the way extended, and we'll go ahead and insert our bolt back into the frame and get our lock washer and our 1/4 inch nut started on the back side. Now we'll take our 7/16 wrench and our impact using our P3 Phillips bit, and we'll tighten this bracket down. Now we'll replace the hardware we removed that holds down our top. We'll start with our loop strap. Now we'll reaffix the bolt over here in the corner. We'll repeat the process on the opposite side, and then we'll tighten everything back down. In hardware bag 34, you'll find a cover plate. It'll cover the relief hole that allows the loop strap on the top to mount, as well as a 5/8 long 1/4 inch Phillips bolt with our 1/4 inch lock washer and nut. All right, so the cover plate's going to cover up this hole. I'm going to slide it up underneath the bolt. Every windshield will come with a bungee cord, all right, and where this bungee mounts will vary unit to unit, especially if you've got an aftermarket bumper. But on the stock units, that typically mount right here in the holes next to the logo. We'll pull the factory bolt, okay? We send clips and a bolt to replace that, as well as 4 flat washers to bring that spacing out, and then you'll connect your bungee to that. but there's a couple different mounting locations that you could use. You just want some tension pulling down to hold this glass firm on the hood while your ATV is in motion. Your ArmorTech windshield is now installed. We hope you enjoy it on your next ride. Thanks for watching.